What is up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this lens. So today we have the Canon 85mm. It's f1.8 USM. If you know anything about portrait photography, you know that this thing is an absolute beast. So I'm super excited to delve into this and unbox it, take some photos for the video, and show you guys what this thing is capable of. I also got a Hoya HD filter. It's a 58mm protector, and basically this is going to protect the lens, so no cracks, no scratches on the actual glass, so it's going to hopefully last a while. You know that. So the reason why I got this lens is because recently I've been delving more into portrait photography, and I just love taking photos of people and doing headshots, and I just thought this is such a good investment for the business, for the future, for the next 5 years, you never know. So I absolutely love getting new lenses and new upgrades for the studio, and I love to show you guys along the way. So let's just open this up and put the protector on as well. I'll show you how to use it all. So yeah, I'm super excited. Let's go. So as we open the box, it already comes with 2 pieces of paper. So what we have here is the warranty card. So what I learned in store is each Canon lens comes with 5 years warranty, so that's amazing. So if you break it, if you scratch it, if something doesn't work manufacturally, they will put that in the warranty. So that's amazing. You're well looked after from Canon. I also bought this from DigiDirect, and if you're Australian, if you're living in anywhere, you've probably got a DigiDirect store near you guys, so highly recommend them for the prices. They've got awesome prices. Alright. And we've got a whole bunch of bubble wrap, my favorite. Yes, love bubble wrap. Woo. This is like really nicely sealed. I'm super excited for this. Alright, some more bubble wrap. Pop, pop, pop. Love it. That's so good. Yeah, that's the best. Alright. So here we have the lens. There we go, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, this thing looks incredible. Obviously the features, it's got autofocus, manual focus. When you zoom in, zoom out, it shows you the information on the viewfinder, which is really useful as well. The actual lens itself is super nice. This is really nice. This is a little bit heavy, but that's fine. That's fine. It shows that it's going to be sturdy. Yeah, this is fantastic. Amazing, and that's it. I'm gonna stick the filter on the lens now, straight away. I like to just put a filter on straight away. So this is the Hoya HD filter. Okay, this is a really nice filter packaging, by the way. Super nice. Look at that. Alright, let's get this. Okay, so just pop that on, screw it on. There we go, that's 100% on. So now the filter's on. I can't wait to stick this on my camera and show you guys how it all looks, but I'll get some close-up shots of the Canon lens for you guys real quick. So let's just jump right into that. Let's go. A couple of things I really enjoyed about this lens was the autofocus. I like the bokeh on the background, how easy it is to focus in on subjects in the foreground. The background is super blurry, and you could use it for anything, for like portraits. You could even use it for like sports. You could use it for macro photography, and I'm super excited to just delve into this world and try out a whole bunch of different photography techniques using this lens. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing and review of the Canon 85mm. Hope you enjoy it, and if you want one yourself, there'll be a link down in the description below. And I've got plenty more videos on my YouTube channel for you guys to check out. Anything from music production to interviews with people, podcast episodes, so you guys should check them out. Have a good one, guys.